What makes your business stand out from the crowd? It's all about your unique selling proposition, your USP. Today, I'll show you how to find it and how to use it to attract more customers and grow your business. Let's dive in. Number 1, what is a USP? Your USP is the one thing that makes your product or service different and better than your competition. It tells customers why they should choose you. Think. Do you offer faster service? Better quality? A personal touch? A unique feature? Number 2, how to find your USP. Here's how to discover your USP. Step 1, know your audience. What do they care about most? Price? Quality? Convenience? Step 2, study your competitors. What are they offering and what are they missing? Step 3, find your edge. What's the one thing you do better, differently, or more uniquely? Step 4, turn it into a clear message. Make your USP short, simple, and focused. Example: fresh pizza delivered in 30 minutes or it's free. That's a USP. Number 3, how to use your USP. Once you've got your USP, use it everywhere. Website homepage, social media bios, ads, product packaging, sales pitches. Make it the core of your brand message. Your USP is your secret weapon. It shows why you're the right choice in a sea of options. So find it, craft it, and let it shine in everything you do. Like this video? Hit like, subscribe, and comment your USP below.